Hello guys, I welcome you all in my new video. In this video, we are going to see some regional organizations and their member countries. I have tried my best to make you understand it very easily how you can learn these member countries with a trick. And I have uploaded some videos, you can check it out, and please subscribe my channel. I am doing my best so that I can make your learning easy. So first of all, let's see G7. G7, as we know, it's a informal organization of 7 countries, and this organization came into after 1973 when there was an oil crisis. So to understand what are the member countries of G7, we have made a mnemonics, a short trick that stands for GF, US, UK, CGI. What it means? It simply means great forces of US and UK are provided to CGI. You can make it like CGI stands for Chief Justice of India, or you can make it as you think possibly more suitable for you, that is ICJ, International Court of Justice. सो इसका हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो ग्रेट फोर्सेस हैं यूएस की और यूके की, वो एज अ सिक्योरिटी में दी गई हैं आईसीजे को. तो यहाँ से यू कैन ईजिली रिमेंबर जी स्टैंड्स फॉर जर्मनी, एफ स्टैंड्स फॉर फ्रांस, यूएस we can easily understand, UK again, and ICJ, I stands for Italy, not for India, because it's a G7 countries and there is no participation from India, and C stands for Canada and J stands for Japan. And recently G7 2020 held, and the presidency was held by the Germany, and in this 48th, I think, if I'm not wrong, in this meeting they have started a life campaign. This is for eco-friendly lifestyle basically. Next one is ASEAN countries. As we know, ASEAN stands for Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and their secretariat in Indonesia and Jakarta. First of all, remember these are the organization of Southeast Asian, so do not confuse that India and Pakistan will part of it. No, it's a Southeastern. It simply means the area that is southeast of Asia. So these are the countries which are members. To learn member countries of it, you just have to remember these 3 boxes: IMPS, VLC, MTB. Now, what it makes a sense or not? IMPS, as you know, immediate payment system. That is the system that through which you can easily send money within seconds and all. Suppose you have paid subscription fee for VLC, that is a media player, and MTV. MTV, we know this is a channel. Just replace V with B. So MTV. It simply means you have paid subscription of VLC and MTV through IMPS. Simple. IMPS, VLC, MTV. Now make sense. I stands for Indonesia, M for Malaysia, P for Philippines, S for Singapore, V for Vietnam, L for Laos, C for Cambodia, M stands for Myanmar, T stands for Thailand, and B stands for Brunei. So these are the member countries of ASEAN countries. And what is the motto? One vision, one identity, and one community. ASEAN Day is celebrated on 8th August every year. Now, last one is BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC, it is very easy to remember. Like we know INS is Indian naval ships which are India's indigenously creating. So just suppose India has created a new INS, and that's name is BB. Short form BB. You can make anything out of BB. That is Bharat Bishesh या Bharat बलवान, anything, you can make anything. So INS भारत बलवान हमने ये बनाया है और इसको हमने ट्रेडमार्क कर लिया है. एज यू नो कि ट्रेडमार्क के लिए हम ये सिंबल यूज करते हैं, ट्रेडमार्क, सिंपल. सो INS BB को ट्रेडमार्क कर लिया, दैट सिंपली यू easy to understand. INS BB trademarked. I stands for India, N stands for Nepal, S stands for Sri Lanka, B stands for Bhutan, B stands for Bangladesh, T for Thailand, M for Myanmar. Thailand and Myanmar are countries of Southeast Asia, and these 5 countries are South Asian countries. And BIMSTEC headquartered in Dhaka, and it is after Bangkok Declaration that the ASEAN and BIMSTEC are came into existence, and this declaration came into effect in 1997. So that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. I will make more videos so that you can easily remember these member countries and other tricks which might help you in your exams, where these few questions are asked about member countries, their members, their headquarters, and their simply mottos and easy questions. That is easy, but how to remember, it is a point to understand.